What are the two topmost worries of a retired person, dependent on his investments to provide for regular expenses during his retirement life? First, interest rates from fixed deposits are low and might go down in the long term. Second, inflation is rising and monthly expenses will increase in a long time. It's like a double-edged sword cutting the value of the retirement fund faster. Is there a better solution? The answer is yes. To generate regular cash flow from your investment portfolio along with capital appreciation, one can consider investing in hybrid mutual funds and opt for a systematic withdrawal plan. In the case of a fixed deposit, once you withdraw the interest, the maturity amount will be the same as the principal amount invested. The hybrid fund invested tries to generate regular income in the portfolio by investing a portion of its portfolio in the debt market. At the same time, it also tries to generate capital appreciation by investing a bit in its portfolio in the equity market. So, what are you waiting for? Call us now to choose the right hybrid fund for your regular cash flow needs.